Why the need for you to have an insurance? Which areas can we have insurance? I know a lot of us don't have anywhere. With the money that we pay, how can we get it back? Is it that easy as they collect our money? Today we are privileged, we are honored to have somebody in that field. I will let him introduce himself from Diaspora Insurance. So he's going to enlighten us all about insurance. Please invite friends and family. Bring up your questions. He's ready for you. So bring all the questions and he will answer them. Don't forget the Journey of Life is being sponsored by World Media Production. World Media Production, contact them for all your media works, be it christening, funeral, photo shoots, MC services, DJ services, just name them. World Media Production have all the experts for you to have an excellent experience. Please, when you call them, don't forget to let them know that you heard of them from the Journey of Life program, and they will give you a massive discount. Call them on 0744 888 9490 and they will do you good. Also, It's Pro Training Center. It's Pro Training Center. It's a center where they train people for SIA licenses and CSCS card. So if you want to work in the security industry or the construction field, It's Pro will give you a training within a week and you'll be good to go. Call them on 07904686944 and they will give you the needed training. Please invite friends and family as we discuss this. Let it be a blessing to someone. Don't go anywhere. We'll be shortly right back. Thank you. Abusiafo, adofo, etiefo ni ahwefo, memamu nyina ahabio about the Journey of Life program. So our Home TV, you see entity perfie, the home of good education. And now on the Journey of Life, no sani ayasha mo bose afie bia ye no na afie nso ye to aso no yesua niema na ye ho aduru na na de ye say ye beka insurance ho asem ye ka insurance bebrebe ye de ye kurom de e de ani enim si ye insure so eho hia say ye insurance na ho faso ni bi ni den enema ben ho necessary ye insurance abusuafo of our questions ni nyina ba essence onyankopon aye yadom amaye obi a waben wo saa ebiai ho a one Diaspora Insurance for na ye adwuma memo no ankasa introduce ne ho na ya bisa ne questions nyina na wa chirechiri mu nso amaye eno ti ton safra odofo bi no nso enye insurama no na me kai obi o say won a wo boy chidom ewo the Journey of Life program isu ye World Media Production say ye bi na ato say ya wade pa bi no nyankopa bi adom pon amam say MC services na ohia DJ upe photo shoot utirimu ye odete seminar type photo twa o de frɛ World Media Production for na wo be ye good from 0744889490 or bebo aya catch us out to one come with the Journey of Life program so now mo massive discount. Ebi also It's Pro Training Center where you be aya what sitting crofo ema wo abodin krata de koje SIA licenses and CSCS card na what we mu pe na we obi bia ma eno it is adwuma na uhia o pese ye adwuma wo security industry nim anase construction field a obefre It's Pro Training Center e was 07904666944 so na catch you on salty on count with the Journey of Life program so be treat you very well. Ye try ye hu sima ye ba ya na ye de hihye so enko baby a medase
our phone number is 079 04 68 6944 079 04 68 6944. Bomadiana free in the year. ITS Pro Training Center. Address. And the found was over your bar. But so bet me a rock construction and security. And to the praying. Na ya kawo kasa. Ya sa ta kasa so. Training center we. Na sa training center we. 2 years with some certificate now year juma. We are so probably no for a so man shall, would you pay money? Now, can we say, would you 12 bros? I would tell him and sign judgment any D. ITS Pro Center. ITS Pro Center. Me find it is pro. I just say, be a ya. You're teaching crop for your mount SIA license. Now, but with your security, now they are compared you. Who just said your net and go for Eduma sign no win your Juma. Baby, I make come from our ITS Pro Center. And what any better amount it here? Not on Saka certificate. It's the other thing as I was trying to catch up so near Juma. ITS Pro Training Center. No, and yes, I inquire you. Yes, CSCL card, so I can't. CSCS card, no. I just 1 day training pep. Now, we answer on Sabasaka health and safety certificate. So, and do it why day. And if you are for a Jawi, or maybe on training. Almost aqua shag master site. It's been a mega for what to why day. And then I want to make a Bomadia Nafray. Our son number is so 079 04 68 6944 079 04 68 6944 Bomadia Nafray in the year. ITS Pro Training Center. Address. And the found was over your bar. But so bet me a rock construction and security. And to the praying. Na ya ka okasa ya sa ta okasa nso training center we na sa hwe training center we tu ya we sa be ka certificate na o ya ko yi adwuma e wi aso so po be no fu ahwe na so so man hwa wo de bo pay man ngo na kan hu se wo de otu abro so wo taw yem ensa anya adwuma no enidi ITS Pro Center. ITS Pro Center. Me find it is pro. I just say bia ya teaching crop for your mount SIA license.
At Diaspora Insurance, we understand the importance of dignified send-offs within Ghanaian culture and traditions. We also understand that you want to avoid the double trauma of your family grieving and not having the financial support to cover funeral expenses when you are not around. With our Diaspora Funeral Cash Plan, you can now cover yourself or your family in Ghana or abroad. With no medicals required, we'll accept you if you are under 75 years. Visit our website today or call us to complete a simple form in under 5 minutes. With Diaspora Insurance, your peace of mind is guaranteed.
Enidi ITS Pro Center. ITS Pro Center. Me find it is pro. I just say bia ya teaching crop for your mount SIA license. Now bet with your security. Now they are compared you man. Who just said your net and go for adwuma sign no win adwuma. Baby I make come from our ITS Pro Center. And what any bet you amount it here. Now on Saka certificate. And the other thing as I was trying to catch up so win adwuma. ITS Pro Training Center no. Anya SIA nkwa na ye yes CSCL card so I can't. CSCS card so no. Just 1 day training pep. Na we wi so a unsabasa kan health and safety certificate so. And do it why day. And if you crofo agya we. Omo wi training. Omo akwakwa sha adwuma se site. It mean you am for. Mo ti why day. And na ya what me kai. Bo modia na frey. Our son numbers we so. 079 04 68 6944 079 04 68 6944 Bomadiana Free in the year ITS Pro Training Center. Address and the found was over your bar. But so bet me a rock construction and security. And do the fraying. Na ya ka okasa. Yes, out of okasa so. Training center we. Na sa training center we. Tu ya we some certificate now ya ko yi adwuma. we are so baby no for kana so man hwa wo de bo pay man ngo na kan hu say wo di otu abro so wo taw yam ensa anya aduma no enidi ITS Pro Center me de me fan it is pro ITS say bia ya tete nkrofo ya ma SIA license na betimi de euro security na wo de akopa aduma wo hwe se de na nkofo aduma sai no wonya aduma ba bia me kan fama wo aye ITS Pro Center what any betimi amount tie na onsa account certificate enti adati na esa wo tere ho na aka chem se wonya aduma ye ITS Pro Training Center no enya SIA nkwa na ye yo ye CSCS card so account CSCS card so no just one day training pep na wo wie so a unsa besa account health and safety certificate so enti what why dey enti fiankrofo agira we omo wie mo training omo akwakwo sha adwuma se wo site enti me no gana fo mo ti why dey enne ya what me kai bo mo dia na.
At Diaspora Insurance, we understand the importance of dignified send-offs within Ghanaian culture and traditions. We also understand that you want to avoid the double trauma of your family grieving and not having the financial support to cover funeral expenses when you're not around. With our Diaspora Funeral Cash Plan, you can now cover yourself or your family in Ghana or abroad. With no medicals required, we'll accept you if you are under 75 years. Visit our website today or call us to complete a simple form in under 5 minutes. With Diaspora Insurance, your peace of mind is guaranteed.
Hello, welcome back. Abutia for me mawakwa baby over the journey of life programming so our home TV sanya mi di kan na enne ye beka insurance ho asem ye ka se insurance ye de ye nchekra ye ko ye nua be me ya enne wa besra yen wo he ho be me na akwava ye na mpacha wo ho te sei
me adome wo ye boko mpacha no we
erade adom me pacho ubebo udin a train no wa me ehu onipa ko a wo ye.
That's very Michia with you for any for our motion or because we don't say your YouTube, your Facebook, it's just say it is all over the world now for sharing. Within the Augustine Yalley. Now me Diaspora Insurance, Ghana Corridor and business development manager. And to be Samia and
wow, business development manager. And in another your questions be as so what made a assemble because business no a honest getting in you that's so our best trying. Me pacho ya kase insurance
okay, but that's very insurance idea mostly in me catch on say oh twa unhia na woto na bra ubehia no na eno na ebede ebobon ban because I won't show who end that. Mostly but in some here this insurance, but near some better and then insurance na why about cover. It's insurance idea. I had to say also solve or China unknown problem situation in now. Instead of say I'm a protecting one be a better one or China no some insurance or poly product or say bedding about
cover.
Into insurance here, a meme definition of the mount. I'm a moment here, no, or might I say, a dear water, and memory, or because I mean here, but so try or chinana, when you are no iron, a bone by a mount.
I see not more or less, no, I don't know what to say investment be kakra. It's answer, so we invest be more. Yes, I bring we no and I would say, but with time, na about
because most of insurance are trained now. If we are taught medical insurance, or there at that moment, but all says, real, then insurance na cover. Car insurance at this moment, and yes, obeying accident, but say
a cobas say,
BB tour, nature insurance name. And so just you securing for the unknown situation
in the future.
Yeah.
Okay, securing for the unknown.
Yeah.
And I have friend insurance. Yo, yay, a before dear a bad insurance as asɛm oni adɔfo ahwɛ me wogi di yie pa sɛ one me bɛyɛ adwen ye mu bebre ye ni bi because ye hu ni sɛ ye nkrofo kra e cars omo drive omo ye insurance car insurance na ye the most common one obia atida but say bia the unknown ya okan yi ekoto no na afi wo pay insurance na etwe na menche enti yen ya ye wa etire no en motivate yen anase en hye yen kran say yen so no yen koye ne ya mo bo insurance wo the way na insurance no sani wo ka say eye for the dachi no ayen bia sasem to a ekosa ema wo
says as far as with to me I cover on ni na pagina me bonnet offer your 4 key issues as auto insurance bia you have to have it at the back of your mind. Insurance, 1 is to do it authorization and regulation, and yeah, key number 1. Key number 2 affordability of insurance products in our auto, and 3 suitability say I don't know auto suit you needs and 4 say treat customers fairly and we may first way in the key number 1 authorization and regulation. Most of insurance policy biano and as insurance company biano it has been authorized it is being authorized by FCA. Inti se wo a wotie me we Ghana ni a wotie me no so kwakoto insurance bia esa one who says insurance no aban and such as we says an other internet say aban sa ehwase say aban sa ehwase FCA in such as 1 it gives you you can say security I am she you can say
I am she na bo ho ban
e ma wonya gidie wo ade a wo kwaka enimu because aban the FCA regulations now about to protect consumer no amasa wo to abibinia you know say aban sa shade na wo ye nase any key issue number 1 say insurance because you to say diaspora insurance yen funeral cash plan ye aban sa shase into say wo buy chance say wo pese wo cover wo wedding diaspora funeral cash planner you know say or funds with Arsenal is secured because aban sa shane ye nase. Key number 2 affordability so won say insurance na wo kwakoto no dia pese auto insurance now so or you cannot even carry on paying for the insurance. Adi or pese obo problem being buying after that you end up creating more problems because insurance most of insurance say auto nasa win to ya you'll be cancelled or more cancel so usikano ashi.
Why that because the matter like let's say Mosibia for the next 5 years and not 10 years. Number tia could do let's say 8 years. Due to unforeseeable situations, I cannot continue the next 2 years. Na Mosi any more canceller. Why do you take my 8 years money?
Yeah, because insurance and a agreement between you and the insurer. Inti say me baby and that's the most I make signing binim Ghana for binim apa. They tend not to ask questions. And some business say now I didn't know to make catch on you not even asking me questions. And they tell some Judy. But no, it was policy documents no. They don't read it. Inti policy documents that's where it gives you the terms and conditions the products na watono. There are some clauses I'm just saying it as in a general way.
Yeah.
Me and there's no clause there.
Of course, one said there is any clause.
That's the truth because me explaining more as I say and there's no clauses I hidden. Near everywhere is some catch on. That's what we your website is everything is mostly there for people to read. But see a mao say Sister Diaspora Funeral Cash Plan, then it doesn't have expiring date. I think say baba
Yeah. I just want to get.
But most if clients be on my frame 3 days ago will be frame also say my canceling insurance policy
with your company.
No with life insurance. Yeah, life insurance and funeral cash plan two different things. But then idea you kind of say
they work hand in hand.
We work hand in hand. To make us say life insurance, but you not take funeral cash plan. And also me ba.
Yeah, bad types no why. Yeah.
The main way now question I will be saying is say what insurance no or contract no I was signing with policy document. It shows say you are taking insurance for 10 years. And then say insurance they more leverage say to me carry on. Maybe they will give you maybe up to 3 months or 6 months. Say because of BB at all but say more space nika kana.
I say break kakra. Now what's
but say when to me and carry on, then that means you are not all parts now
fulfilling your parts.
So you have to what you could be because a contract on your man signing. Into policy documents be on the bama I say you need to know what you are signing on.
And that is where you said affordability comes in. Until you go for what you can afford.
Don't overcommit yourself. You will end up cancelling your policy. At the opposite to solve your that problem, then you end up creating more problems for yourself, and you end up cancelling at the here for that
No.
And now the third way na make suitability. To some me know say your pay insurance. Say your pay insurance it speaks to our reality and our need. Why do I say so? Because me know we belong to two. You kind of saying. I'd say transnational citizens.
Yeah.
No, if you Ghana.
Two different.
Inti me you say Ghana. So you need an insurance cover. Well, whilst you are away from this country,
it will still cover
you, because most of them for tend say they take insurance now only for UK. Omoko Ghana and SBB trauma they are stuck because UK insurance will not pay you whilst Ghana say BB out to Ghana. So you need to take insurance policy. It speaks to your need and reality. Person to BB after the 3 years, 4 years, I say there's no value.
I value less.
What I say. So and then the third key issue, the fourth key issue, and then critical, treating customers fairly. Auto insurance product, do they even have time for you to explain idea about Betono? When you call them, omoje was so ye near. Be what's
like their customer service.
What I say, but with the end insurance, we have a culture of treating customers fairly. What I say, and somebody I said, I'm
me person will be our diaspora insurance. So, ever platform me so be catcher me say near business manager. No cre.
Oh, be a bit doing dance, especially on more. Make events, many cassette platforms. I mean, they all know can attest to say anytime that they call on me, unless say sometimes America phones say clients on the door so be the mail Japan, be more American at the time difference, say 1 AM or be fro.
No, I yeah. And see, but be an that one.
So, and then very, very key issue, very, very important as a client, as a customer. To be as I say company now person will deal with say baby sure dream even after I say what signing up they'll be willing or able to help you out now what see near person then autonomy. So this is the 4 key issues and person will be with him insurance and yet just for diaspora insurance but insurance be honest one who say they are authorized and regulated or more regulation number authorization from FCA. And I say we on my number on my website. And so we say very affordable. Don't overcommit. Don't overcommit yourself. You will end up cancelling your policy. Nesika will training and not why what's saying. And as I said, the product now it has to speak to your reality and then your need. And then lastly, I say more customer service. Now customer service that they will treat you fairly. They'll be honest and have integrity.
They will be honest and have integrity. Yo, enti abusia ene ye baba be hun hia ehia ese yenya insurance. Wedi ka kire yen say for daache. Enti se nia ye nim ye daache asemunti no. Na ye esase yenye bibi entutu ye bi tu ye chi. Na bibi tu yen akwantimfi a ya twere atoso Now ɔkyerɛ yɛn so say obɛyɛ a ɛne ɛyɛ ni a ɛbɛte wo kasa na ɛbɛma we anidasoɔ sɛ ebia sɛnyɛ krom hampo na watu kwan na biribi akɔ akɔtɔ ɛnyɛ Ghana nko a ebi kora wakɔ Europe wakɔ baby holidays na yakɔ wia yakɔ yɛsɛn ɛsɛ sɛ wo timi nya banbɔ kakra yo yɛbɛkɔ manager ho bi ne asakɔ akɔ bisa ne because ensɛm na ɛdɔɔso me patcho apart from car insurance ayenimu, what types do you have? The types of insurance.
Okay.
More because me ti ha mi ni bi mi nya bi da. Enti minim say mi kromfo de yenta nya sa de yesikale so ye enti ni empe bi nko baabi. How many types and how does it work?
Okay. Yen main product as at now. No other products. This year you tried to say be rolling out other products, but your main product as a Sisi said, the diaspora funeral cash plan. Or baby said that diaspora funeral cash plan as a trade. Diaspora funeral cash plan as a Chinese say me no me no yet say a rich me. Still young from our Ghana. You bet me about your own buying, a protect your home. Yeah, it was your friend, I mean, they are changing your chromacy, and it was your funny out of my job of Ghana. See about protect your monsoon. Na say, away idea, I must say,
it's inevitable.
Absolutely. Inti amas or chine be, be a cover no free more. Then, the sika ama. What is another thing? No mom's can all mammy adaka or mammy. You who say with time and all adaka, and I say adaka be choosy say okay, because that's what most of the traditional funeral way for normal year say directors, say you sign with them, so me wa or mama adaka or wa mom family in Ghana. Oh, these are the things that most now more year. By you who say with time and all things, life near living exercise. Boy and there by the time Obeka say all retirement, maybe what done for only more Ghana for Ibu baby and then you end up on no penny say. So what's signing up to a cover be 20 years ago. So we are young for Ghana. Maybe at this time, we're done for there's no need even taking nobody to Ghana. So say you see what I say, but so I can say who are young for Ghana. I just say cover now why are you useless because when Kwarabaka said we want mommy to be buried here, we want to see the reason I say yeah share and you say no. I see a massacre because if we give you money, say we will be your mousika, you can choose to do whatever that you want to do with the money, either to repatriate or even do reversal repatriation. Into another part of our benefits are airway, but yen diaspora funeral cash plan and I say obi to be akavon say akave busua form only almost not of no more Ghana person or no more air than etosu. You know, say, I say, Obi who's is your Ghana one year before. So it's better you can put those people out, say you are responsible for them. You should, in case say, boy, anything goes, say, I'm able to from. So that is the more reason why you get the diaspora funeral cash plan. About Obi said, now the insurance, baby, funeral. Because with time and you're within our various communities, so be free more, it becomes a very, very difficult thing. To me, we are dealing with their case. They say, you're better warm within Sikakakrana. We dish any free move to put back or Germany in back or France. So, a bear now be go find me. No money now, I saw no necessities because Nipako we on insurance. It was also as at that moment, they don't have money to even. Chrome has to be between me assassinable. I say nobody. Funeral in this country is really expensive.
Yeah.
Sun Life institution will be on a year with last year average you can say burial cost is around 8,050 or something. But I say so that's a lot of money. But so insurance be over, you could cater for all those where we don't have to, be bereaving. Oh dear, when I feel I say double trauma. So that is the more reason why we are the diaspora funeral cash plan to minimize if you to me now to minimize the pain people go through. It will be phone lines this is be some them say one of our experiences are they say they should be free more no money seeker. How was their experience? You have a lot of people testify and say it wasn't easy. Send to work, I say you don't need it, but in reality, when it hits you, then you realize that no, I need some insurance. Be near my family members, my kids wouldn't struggle, suffer. That is the most that
so that is the funeral insurance.
Yes.
And so now you are not doing the life insurance
and any product are you be unveiling this here, but there you the other product so count but to sana me kind
okay, not unveiling it per se, but you can't say life insurance. What is it about? Because we just want to have an idea. Abusia for me ba. You perceive who idea so that be dano. You be who the need for us to go in.
Okay.
And you can life insurance. What is it about?
Yeah, life insurance mostly insurance auto says in the most in the 20 years, 50 years. And then
see, it wouldn't mean life insurance for 2 years and 1 year. That be said, Bianca 1 year this one now I could use
because that thing is since life insurance no yes so free more. Life that's the thing. People think they say life insurance. I hate to say investment beer so when we are obit me back so sika.
Abusia fanya sana enim no.
And then conception honum.
It's na me pese well lighting.
Life insurance bibia wo to wants say for the sake of unkora we be for you know be job mo honum no. Se bibi to wa sasika no enkomo. And the most life insurance and medical underwriting as a Chinese said
say
no, as trying to say before you know your premium, how much you pay every month, you better take your medical records.
Oh, okay.
So that's I mean, I know they able to make determine say okay, one ya dey be your life insurance now. Your whole life nature say but no be do with ya to say obey and your termed policies. Term policies say maybe 20 years, 50 years. So what you are trying to tell insurers and say within 20 years you have to die.
Hey.
So if you don't die, just say you're kind of waiting ahead. Because I attempt. So when the term elapses now, because you didn't die within that 20 years, within that 10 years. Yeah. And these are the things that it's very good to say Ubi Sebisa.
Because me person me bushia 40 years.
And then life insurance also replaces income. A deal between so a mortgage. Why? Because ufri moi sikana baba no lump sum esike modu. Osha life insurance ebo be 230,000, ebo 150,000, ebo ebisu. Minimum crampo call to millions and order. And then share the percentage at which the insurance companies pay out life insurance according a very minute percentage, because most people outlive their policies. But you can say will be outliving the policy simply means to say sign term now signing up within infinite money either.
Abroso. Enti no na ni sika na she.
Because
enti me pacho say abusianfo ni opese yeti ase ni say okoye life insurance na ko signing up so in 20 years time.
Yeah.
Then 20 years onyankopon wa ni mobrohu do osun ya shoso wenwu what years you can every month for 20 years.
Yeah.
But the fact say wenwu no ma fa usika no. Is that right?
Yes.
Because
so say a limited of 20 years, limited time of 20 years. So within 20 years, and what catch the insurance and say so within 20 years and semi free more the amount maybe 250,000. So 250,000. Maybe so from John. They should have that money. And they say what that is the more reason I'm being more or more at the age of 60, 65, no more pension or more year life insurance, automatically or more wherever will be cancelled and they will receive message say life insurance policy has been cancelled. And
not just so sick and not
shit.
And what problem?
Yeah, because
why do you have it? Because yes, Osinka Ebia say within after 20 years or 30 years and can we free more. Nenya me na dum na we mfi more. You don't give the person pokakra.
Okay. We there between me no maybe some question say oh yeah car insurance no within 1 year na say when ya accidental to me make it.
There be what I'm trying.
I'm just.
No, you won't make any claim because, but 20 years investment, they say yet me up and yet me manage.
Investment was signing up to say within 20 years.
So is there a way say ubetinya state say oh, ebia 20 years no semen fimoa metimi adi misika. Is there another way?
Because one thing I say yet has say insurance and savings.
By investment.
Yes, an investment will make it say be too within what you sign up for no. Start time period now. You should have it. If you are insurance no must say a be activate pay as you go so to then your activation start. If you mama will say a maturity period there 1 year. To say end then a maturity period there 1 year. So within 1 year and so the papa will cover any free more. Say 20,000 you can claim 20,000. Until you say what's signing up to life insurance here, and I will say a term policy of 20 years or let's say 50 years. We're in a war maybe 30 years. So if you sign up for 50 years, that means 80 years. Until let's say 80 years and within 2 years you pass away. That means your family will claim £250,000. But if you outlive knowing 81 years, if the insurance company want to be kind, then probably they will try and extend away the amount. But most insurance companies,
of course,
absolutely. And you will not win because that's what you sign up for, a term policy. These days, in your whole life insurance, and then I'm person was whole life nature say will cover on to death. But and then it's expensive. And then so no one thing is or medical records now you know and then they go deep because there is traces and then this is the caution also if or let's say so diabetes or asthma or liver you know if during when or multi-control companies they will just ask you to go and do those kind of medicals or then you bring the report before they can even sign you up and but with the whole life and I just say you to say and then with them some or more portfolio beer they use that to do an investment. So with time, you accumulate something. Whole life in you'll be what son inside to say, pot beer percentage of Sikana premium they use that as an investment for you. Then with time, it accumulates to some percentage beer, then they give it back to you. But most term policies as soon as you outlive policy
it's cancelled. Abusia for UTA the Journey of Life program is home TV na ye ka insurance wasem insurance wasem me ye din kakra because senia ubekwa 20 years na ubetu sika na 20 years beso na so nyankopon ehumobo ache wo so na wo nkwa aware wasasi so a wasi wa ngunti usika na ehwa na wo kirekire ye mu se ye wo bi nso a ukwaya obeye ne say whole life nti whole life no de time bia migidi se no beye yi but o kire se no nso ne bo beye den kakra our experience be what insurance any field that may part of feel free in our 079562666936 and now says 0796031488 Freyen na etre wadrin and I so betimi so contribute bi and so aboye.
Yeah.
Mesa akone ho because sa 20 years asem ne die mu odu.
Yeah, because insurance we only pay when there's a claim. Inti say what signing up for 20 years and they say free more your family members beneficiaries will make a claim and we will pay. Insurance company behind you are workers or refuse claims unless it's say within the application or what the name maybe which one true. But if it is genuine, insurance company will pay out your claims.
But usually, especially car insurance, say bi obi nya accident na o claim no mutu ya pay. Na ni otua ni premium ni ya tum say boom. Why that? Me was we bia wetua bebe 5 years, 6 years onya accident idawo.
Yeah.
The only time onya accident kakra o ko claim ye no. Na oma jumping ni sika eseso tua ni boom. Why?
Because put obia I to say claim no make I kind of say double depend on the claim amount yeah so mine is no board the insurance company and so because one thing that SSM Confetti has say insurance companies are also being insured. What I say, into the all make it claimer, yeah, they also won't be more almost extra months and also omutuomaka say, and they want make it claim because what accident we make it claim of let's say £1,000. Not now I can make it the same premium. So big insurance company.
Hey, ebusia for you can insurance you want some there
between you and I big insurance. That is the more so I said they don't want you to make a claim.
But all those years now Mati Misika me make any claim no?
Yeah.
So what happens to that 6-7 years money na
because remember say you not making claim doesn't mean that someone else is not making a claim.
Yeah, but we are talking about my money that I'm paying to you.
Yes, because I'm not mechanical. Because let's say a life, your life, a car insurance, that means you're a good driver.
Yeah, but that doesn't mean say Mimi Sikani Bemwa. Yeah, like Modia, you are only receiving, but a due time as I say be mommy pa. Necessary finding another way
yeah, premium so that
why
the company can stay in business. So that you can also be careful on the road as well.
Be careful, Nadia Busia what did you? What did I? Pay say Obi Yaria. A then type of insurance na ye cover no.
This kind of questioning to be fair with you, when it comes to some medical health insurance, I really don't because tricky kakra because medical health there were so many types and yadia to me a cover no and your yade so it cannot and operations be so to me a cover on that
insurance policy.
Yeah, it's
more or less like it depends on the type of health insurance.
Yeah.
Okay. And Tiabusia for say be or acquire unim say health insurance. ABI acquire operation, unfortunately. But in Yamia survive. Unim say insurance cover. Ba claim more say they are sorry. That's where the disappointment comes in. And nature say no one check it or cover what your insurance covers and
you need to know what you are buying and you need to read what you sign up and the most insurance you have you kind of say 30 grace period
30 days
to rethink about what you just signed up for. If you think you don't need it no more, you can just call them and cancel
within 30 days.
Within 30 days. But the thing is, I didn't say Ghana form with any very way and say policy documents. A document it gives you the overview of FBPR what cover on for. So you have to a pages a boy dorsum. Boy, 1, 2, 3 pages. But only Ghana for me seeing parking. But these days, I know so what Sherman or parking kind into from and then catch or would sign it up because a lot of people more regret after paying for premiums over the time and then they say they are yummy boom. It doesn't cover.
They didn't know.
They didn't know what I said, and I was some mini man car manually because say when ready. But I said, me tone be my I will make sure say me can be a better day. I'm a better. But me
person ya wuti ha wo kire say diaspora for there. Me pacho be our experience diaspora for ma mi hu no wa ha because me person me hu so be testify.
Diaspora for na cash plan there. Yeah, claim, you know, within 24 hours. And then within 24 hours, you know, yes, I can with documentation. It doesn't matter wherever bank accounts, you know, or you as I say, share Afghanistan crowd, say, make it, you know, you pay out claims into it, we will do it. Yeah, and see, as I say, the company, insurance company now, or the ones that can show police product and I say, does it really speak to your needs? Are they genuine? Are their claim process cumbersome? Would they be it also say quasi for Webra? I think say I'll have time to explain more about your funeral cash plan to the Ghanaian community, because now Ghana for artsy product nursing kakra. I think generally I had this mindset say Ghana for pay insurance. But no, answer Ghana for pay insurance. Ghana for pay insurance a yen no say in terms of claim and say
na me can your konabra there na say
and
you are like so all these years why was I paying for that?
Yeah, but send me kind you need to know what you are signing up for because insurance it is not, and yes that's the thing, and your savings portfolio and your port beer you are just throwing the money in. Pure protection insurance. Pure protection insurance, as the channel said. Month when Utia in there February. Utia February premium, you are protecting yourself for February. Utia in the month. It's a car insurance. Monthly in Utia, you are covering yourself for that month. Utia, you are covering yourself. So when Utia automatically car insurance going there, they don't even messy no way yeah, because everyone is at risk. So I'm finding so yeah, but when it comes to your own life, I think the advice that I want to give is say, New Year resolution. I think insurance, I saw the insurance shame. I saw the life insurance resolution shame say, make your monthly expenses now. There should be portion and I say part of insurance shame. Because no one knows.
Okay, talking about diaspora insurance and with your funeral cash plan, how does it work? How much do I need to pay every month and for how long? More minimum years, you're saying that we want to know.
Okay,
because no crane Ghana for the year ni dear them ye and you are saying so say meti UK but meti me ya cover me mami wo Ghana me papa wo Ghana me nua wo France me so wo we meti me aye. How many people na meti me ya cover one?
Okay,
that's my second question.
Okay, that's for insurance. Our entry age in the air between the ages of 21 to 75. Most 75 years. Me or Ghana with the 80 better than but and only entry age our has because most come say even up to 65 in Siena most of funeral cash plan up to 65. Come say I don't mean person Ghana I don't know but within has say up to
me pacho lay person like me no can entry I don't understand.
Okay, entry age in interest say in fear at the age of 21 to 75 and any uncle for ya geom you bet me assign say take you and cover ni
oh and to say me person me ya me signing it on Na me maami di 77 na on qualify. Because money mu say enche se mutu esika ne maye. Ba mo pesa mu ji esika no.
Oh, and you say ye dwuma na tesa na me kan. You underwriters among some no training things that we should, procedures and
from the age of
21
to 75.
Yeah. And they say, Akra we did 20 years. Mama no wait me to cover na mano. And so mama no be cover, so you become the principal holder of the account. No mano, the sub policies. And to say over to me because you are above 21.
Obviously.
Yeah.
I wish I was 21.
And our bag we did 15. And so we are the primary holder of the account now on Bano or the home account, but air per life. And see yen packages air from £2,500 to £20,000.
Modi age ni netuana. Let's say mo signing up to 75. Me mami di 71. Into your qualify. Me pese me ye be cover no.
Okay, so mami no our Chrome has ya.
Our Ghana.
Or be our Ghana, regardless of the any age range. We to me a cover from between 2,500 and £5,000. Or so America would say me $2,500 to $5,000. Or Europe, same thing. Or Ghana, no per se, or Sika, no per se we get that for insurance. Which means your premium a year $2,500
Ghana
dollars because say you call an international trader the most worldwide accepted currency US dollars.
So why don't you accept cedis? Because or Ghana no live on you say or hano ya mo bi ono no tinti or eduswa or no so tiani cedis na we also what tiani cedis.
Because you are dealing with an international company. And then the most
common, that's fair of all.
Yeah.
Because I'm more Ghana so.
Yeah, but then obi or Ghana or paying products in the UK because BBI share
UK laws
but they've given your sir when say you extended to Ghana and they say Ghana no person to I'm sure so be Ghana person to be from USA even though for the Ghana is kind of but it will be converted to US dollars.
Is that no the auto?
Absolutely.
But more office.
Yes, it is a auto physically. We don't have presence in Ghana like a building structure in Ghana.
So literally, your mother company is in the
UK in Birmingham.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, but the Ghana corridor and now you're into 13 countries Africa into your Zambia, your Ethiopia, your Zimbabwe, your South Africa, Zimbabwe, Botswana. Into most of when the more with time the more countries become. But say Ghana not so be there, then you pay in the cities, but then it will be equivalent to wherever that it be in US dollars.
Okay.
Yeah, and to say that now all into I don't know the entry age, but the premium premium it's a age. So kakra. Your premium will slightly.
Okay, let's say between 70 and 75.
But just our old friend, I say the dinner sharing system no more. Our quotation engine would then give you the exact.
So you don't have a fixed
because one thing a year me call events a lot of people ask me. One thing about when it's something make change 1 year. Maybe we have a penny bin about so, and I don't want to lie and make us say £30, but maybe 1 year never £30, 50 cents or 50p.
So are you trying to tell us diaspora insurance you don't have fixed amount for, let's say from 21 to 35 you pay £10 a month, but BBI just say because
generator because we want to give you the right quotation. We don't want to tell you things off head. Maybe do 20. Maybe to make some insurance and pay £20,000. Yeah. You want to catch us, okay, off head, £10. But 20 years person, 21, pay 20,000 cover, it will £10. 21 being back from say up 2,500 cover. 21 now, I'm just trying to give you scenarios. 21 now, person catch us say, okay, up 7,500 cover. 21 or 15,000 cover. 21 now, up 12,500 cover. Do you know?
So does it mean you ask the customer, your client, say, how much would you like to have? And then I generate what that person is to pay monthly.
Yeah, once I initially just started to make us say affordability of the cover.
Yeah.
So you don't want to overcommit yourself until near 100 between. That's what you go for. But you're making what I say.
And see, search engine, a range from generated from what amount to what amount?
Into 2,500 to 20,000 pounds. But you're making what I say. So your 2,500, your 5,000, 7,500.
Like between 2,500 and 20,000. Let's say my search engine generated 2,500. In that sense, how much will I be paying?
And yes, a search engine is searching 2,000. One over catch and say 2,500 to 20 any of the packages. So you would then tell us the kind of package you want.
Oh, okay.
Then the date of birth in the with the packaging I will say full cover amount and open. Then the quotation engine will tell us per your date of birth and then full cover amount that you've chosen. Say 5,000 or with your baby. £10 per month. And I answer in premiums now fixed. Into so you send with the 21. That's a work for £20,000. That's a £10 and then there 21. So that's what you're gonna pay forever. And say OD 22 or you say OD 2020, you the 50p account that be. So you earn the £10, so that's what you're gonna pay forever. And then yen so no yen one yen product and yen say you to say would 85 but then you are covered for life. And that beautiful.
Let's get that bit clear. As I say, beautiful or not, for HSA, Opeso, Yetias, yes, me ye insurance, no, na me tia copim 75.
No, 85.
85. Na mi mu ye nyame adom na mete ho a mo betiem sika na ma me baka na sa mo betwen na mi wu a matua ma busuafo
full cash plan
enti no mi nwu ya ne de sika no e ma bio ba mi di 85 a me ja etua
you stop paying but then your full cover amount is still there waiting for you
enti that make I said that tia 50,000 a sa 50,000 e beda ho
yes
enti mi twam a nyame madum na medi na nti na afi wa frame na matua mabusia
because remember say Mami state here say most of other funeral cash plans or you are saying bebre with your death. So because we have a culture of treating our customers fairly, yes, say would the 85 or be I mean that's something that you should applaud us.
Hey, I was no a juicy color, so why juicy for so many years insurance for and sana nyame wadom now bro 85 it's one way or the other near Becca say yeah appreciate really. It because then you am say senka obedi 20 years na we na 20 years so okay say we be in 20 years time na 20 years so wait year 20 years na nyame awadom no we nwu a omsu sika hye ne de eno de na enye kra nti we no a wo be cover for life no me feel say eye nti and yesua niema bebre efi diaspora for ho I think say ye besanya ba because ye more insurance there because ye pesa ye enticed to go in. And then now for say obetimi akachire etiefo ne ahwefo.
I think say that's it for this opportunity and Ghana for Asibebre. Yeah, about corridor no, it hasn't been even a year, but I should say the number of clients are here on board, is very encouraging. So that speaks so well of the Ghanaian community. Say, with time, people are really getting to understand the need for funeral cash plan, and then I'm just encouraging, say, they should also spread the news to the community and say, go fund me now. Those in the community, it is undignified. They say, quote unquote, undignified. They say, obviously be free with and then see then a picture to social media soliciting for funds and some money to me, and no chromacy to send me kind a year in the ball is very expensive. So I will just entreat on more mutin and say it will be necessary. Say, I mean, yeah, no compono to send I even forgot just to add up. Say, oh, she has within 5,000 with time, you can even decide to increase your full cover amount. In time, say, but why 5,000? That's it. With time, saying, I'm doing seminars, which market, so you know what? I want you guys to increase my cover amount. You be increase amount.
But you still be paying what you are paying.
Yeah, but then you say won't increase.
Your
premium will increase. But the most important thing, percent me my for say our premium it doesn't change. What I say, been more within some years, we catch say inflation and utia £5 for the inflation into £7. Well,
now that's insurance mobile
yeah, you've been in the in existence since the past 10 years.
10 years.
Yeah, but and I'm a car no.
But na mama yen crew.
Yeah, na yen in the Ghanaian corridor.
Na mo CEO no oyehini.
Okay, into your yen CEO Mr. Mazingo Zimbabwean and yen director Dr. Sabet Madenga on the Zimbabwe. And
into am di ko mu crew mu first.
Yeah, into menso.
We are Ghana
ni. Me auntie me fu takrade upon way. Me addition upon me
yo, I will say for 80 like about 10 years dear. Now more other African countries.
Yeah, countries are
but it's about a year near mobile Ghana corridor.
No. Okay. I think most of people are more signing up and they either had an advert or Coffee TV. I mean, just trying to let people know more Coffee TV Zion Felix. I've been asking paying home TV so because you're giving us this platform, and then I need to say thank you to Warne Marcus, for giving us this platform. So these are the influencers and lovely Amaso. I mean, they are almost pushing the brand. So by and large, people are really buying into it, and
they are getting to know you.
First, now we call events. Now you talk about the funeral thing. And people think it's the moment they sign up to that's what funeral cash plan. That's funeral insurance.
One say, yeah, baby, if any funeral
absolutely.
But we know say it's inevitable. Yeah. But it's just our culture.
Yeah. But the benefits now that's for insurance and say medicals into guaranteed acceptance will be our owning car tampa
like unya ya wadwin se opese uye policy ni bia.
So far as all your gun and name
na ubetua osika bosumi bia no ye mfa binema bia mechechere.
Yes, and now with the NC and to send me kindly we pay in hard currency USD, euros, UK.
Enti emre so na sese mutua enye ho na mo beko ka se onkofa nkrata amra o because mo jeje no ma anye nkrata.
Yeah, because all make a claim now with the claim form sorry, with a claim form obe fairly the part the disease obi our principal whoever that was on the way obe fairly form so we hospital let me assume say the part no work Ghana Ghana obi our hospital I think it's a more friend cause of death form obe fairly so you attach that and then the pakuni ID card that I think it's a Ghana more
national
new one ECOWAS card or whatever we're using, and it's a voter's ID card. It's a passport also. It's a photo ID card.
Now they have insurance card
So if it is recognized as national ID in Ghana, then it will be admissible with the will claim form. Nti I don't know what the best share so. Nti yen claim processing data within 24 hours. If should we verify the documentation and it's genuine, everything goes through within 24 hours. Yeah. Now the bank details obviously this kind of terminal or the account now, the amount.
Ayo, abusiafo say yemre na ye be the ade we je part 2 beba. Na answer na ye be fire last me share se platform ne so bia messages bi ba and money we got into it into mama so oh nana kwa me enkrofo e she pa obo nyame hira o kwa me bedin nyame hira o me no wa ba Wilhelmina na so nyame hira o my brother all the way from US of A. The nyame yafo so nyame hira Felicia from Poma Bapa nyame hira and anakwa me say I salute you all. We are responding to you as a glorious lady. Ask him how many types of insurance they have at the moment. Let me say me besides our question about
at the moment, your main product the diaspora funeral cash plan. But this year you be really out at the product until then
since you've not launched it out, you don't want to talk about it. So at the moment, the cash plan, the funeral cash plan, and coso. Okay, say that's the answer to your question. Joseph Apia or say love this. Oh, Charlie, me so I love it too because Charlie insurance said there. This year share that a baby. See Mr. Augustine. Well done, keep it up. You do all. Louisa, hey, Nyamishrao, Obaya favor, Nyamishrao. Hey, Mekuma, all the way from Netherlands, Amsterdam. I see you look very beautiful, my dear. Oba Pafilo ansoma, that's it. Nyamishrao, Nyamishrao, bebre, say, ene, hana, yemre, no, ebema, ye quine, near the ye to medianesi. Your last word from the business manager, then I'll catch the public.
Okay, the person I can say, Medahon TV, Asibebre, and thank you to Omo Shane at this very moment. To meet his alcohol, and so that means
and USA.
US. My cousin cried, Augustine, Mrs. Augustine, Miss Airshami or America, and then I think my cousin Bagoso Kana, Simon Yalley, also Airshami. And I'm Madam Fu. I think a lot of people are watching us, and person make us me do BBRC. But my last words is we are seeing it here, yeah, woman. Nothing is predictable, really. Yeah, so insurance here at dear. I think it's we should all try and take it on board, especially and then your woman say either say medical, either it being medical. Life insurance and it's a funeral cash plan. But maybe Kasaba Yandian as that's what funeral cash plan. It's idea a year good because say chromo between a cover bio Ghana. Yeah, global, cover without borders. No border we say, me or asking to me cover. Because more clients or more you can in Saudi Arabia.
Wow.
What I say. So people are really buying into it. And it's a team and I say almost signing up to diaspora funeral cash plan and patch. You are missing out big time. Or by say, or signing up to diaspora insurance, be to me make us say be to me up on your website www.diasporainsurance.com www.diasporainsurance.com and also say me amitie because me got program side and I'm say bro Augustine here program pa won't pick it. Mommy sometimes move from your bra me.
What that?
Yeah. But then send me who may call trust me, I'll give you a call back. Yeah. Into so say friend me amity as from me number 07823 422 115. But you miss to be 07823 422 115 because say international company no until mama for yen country code income +44 into +447 823 422 115. But your diaspora insurance, it doesn't expire. repatriation, reverse repatriation, you are covered because you're this kind of money you need to think about funeral. You're kind of saying expenses be where you're hidden. People don't even think about it because someone's the car, you're kind of saying hair said they funeral call, you're kind of saying adaka, flowers, cameraman, you know, videographer.
Now say cry the aduane cry expensive than the fridge
so your car and then madam do America that not catch me will be funeral. Why would anyone think you say you need to go and borrow money, take loan for funeral? I mean that's a wrong move. So then it's better so you will have an insurance should sadly the inevitable happens you make your claim and then you can get yourself, you know, sorted. I mean that lastly, I mean don't trouble your families. You know, that double trauma of, you know, bereaving and begging should be the thing of the past. In this year 2023, let Diaspora Insurance be one of your New Year resolution. Call us and let us, you know, sign you. That's it.
Yes, yeah, that's it. Call Diaspora Insurance and sign on. You know, you better sign on because you know you need it. Yeah, do your mammy no near papa no better so azala because here did you have to be a better. Eh, just on Beji is a catch, was there for Yadamas Semina, Mobeta, and they had it easy. That's a day of essential view. Mama, bye.
At Diaspora Insurance, we understand the importance of dignified send-offs within Ghanaian culture and traditions. We also understand that you want to avoid the double trauma of your family grieving and not having the financial support to cover funeral expenses when you're not around. With our Diaspora Funeral Cash Plan, you can now cover yourself or your family in Ghana or abroad. With no medicals required, we'll accept you if you are under 75 years. Visit our website today or call us to complete a simple form in under 5 minutes. With Diaspora Insurance, your peace of mind is guaranteed.